Thank you for choosing a Peace of Mind flight harness for your parrot. I'm going to show you how this works, how to size it, and put it on. When you receive your harness, it'll look something like this. This is your leash. That comes with a leather cement contained in a vial. When you first get your harness, I suggest you play with it and work it in a little bit. Your leather is going to be a little stiff, but after a while, it will become like this. This harness here has well over 100 hours of wear. When you first get your harness, you will notice that one of the straps is just held on with elastic bands, just 2 of them. What I want you to do is to put it on your bird. This, just open up, your bird's head goes through. Your longer straps are the bottom. The small strap's the top. This makes it easier for you to buckle up. So just lift the wing, bring the clip up through. That's it. It's as simple as that. Now, it may not be tight enough when you first get it. As you can see here, there's a lot of play in here. This needs a little adjustment. So we're going to take it off, which is just as easy. Step up. So what you're going to do is simply remove the 2 elastics. And then depending on if your bird was a little chubby or a little skinny, you're either going to loosen it off or tighten it up. For sizing, just put 1 elastic back on. Apply it to the bird again, the same way I showed you before. Down, your longer straps, or your female end of the clips, are the bottom. Bird's head, up and over the shoulders again. Clip either side under the wing. The male ends are your top of your bird. Once you're good with the fitting, take that elastic off again. Using a toothpick, apply a generous amount of glue to either side of the leather. I repeat, a generous amount. Use all the glue in the vial, because once you've put it on, whatever's left is no good. Use both elastics after you've applied the glue. Make it tight. Put 1 up higher and your second elastic down a little lower. Now, there most likely will be excess glue. Wipe it off. Clean up the leather. Allow that to sit for at least 8 hours before you use it. Once the glue has set, you can remove those elastics and your harness is ready to use. Now, a little more about our harness. Our leashes can attach to both the bottom or the top, whatever you choose. I've put 2 D-rings on there for you to decide where you want the bird attached. I prefer to go with the bottom. It allows the bird to fly around more easily. I find it on the top, if they go to fly, they get a bit of a tug. And some parrots are annoyed with it draped across the tail, and then they end up playing with it. Another thing about the leash, it's a hands-free leash. So when using it or taking your parrot out, the tongue end goes to the top. Now your hand's free. Your bird is safely attached to you and you can do whatever you need to do. So once again, I'm going to show you how to apply the harness. These straps go behind the legs. So when you place your bird down, head goes through the hole, between the legs, under the wing, clip. The other side, under the wing, clip. So you can see how it fits on the bird. It's okay, Django. She's been wearing a harness for months. Has no problem with it. Go ahead, girl. Your parrot may freak out a little bit. If they do, I suggest that the harness stays on the bird for 3 hours before you take it off. Let the bird get used to it. Let them chew. Let them get their frustrations out. They will adapt. They will learn that the harness is not there to hurt them. And once you start taking your parrot outside, they might even be excited when they see the harness. If you have any questions, simply email us and we will help you in any way we can.